All right, here's some simple tips and tricks to help crow or kakasana pose become a lot more accessible. A lot of people call crow pose bakasana, but bakasana is actually crane when you're putting the backs of the knees up on the top of the triceps. Today, I want to show you how to do crow pose or kakasana in a much easier way. So instead of trying to place your knees onto the backs of the triceps, which is really, really hard, have your heels towards each other and your toes and your knees pointing out. Lift up your booty, bend your elbows, and place your shins onto the triceps. So hook your hands back and your arms back as much as you can. Squeeze the knees in towards the armpits, look forward, and then slowly lift your feet. Okay, we don't ever want to jump into the pose. And a good way to build strength for this pose is to not blow through your chaturanga or your vinyasa going like this, not going far enough down. So really focus on, with or without the knees, lowering slow, keeping the elbows in, and that'll help you to build the strength on the way back up. See if you can lift the belly, then push up. You could even start with little tiny baby tricep push-ups, and those will help you and get you a long way. All right, good luck with crow pose. Some poses to really help you gain the strength besides chaturanga would be half boat, so laying down, drawing your navel towards your spine, as well as regular plank on the hands and forearm plank. Some poses to help you get into the shape would be lizard pose, coming down in between the thigh, doing that on both sides and holding, as well as malasana. All right, I'd love to know in the comments if these tips and tricks help.